Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we're bringing you a bike that's been making waves in the motorcycling world, the 2025 Bajaj Pulsar NS400. The NS badge is already iconic in India, and now with the NS400, Bajaj has taken things to a whole new level. Let's jump straight into this detailed review and see what this beast has to offer. First, let's talk about the design. The NS400 carries an aggressive and muscular Streetfighter look. It's sharper and bolder than ever before. The new LED headlamp with integrated DRLs, the sculpted fuel tank, split seat setup, and the edgy tail section make it stand out from the crowd. Bajaj hasn't held back on styling. The blacked-out engine bay and contrasting graphics give it a very premium and sporty feel. Now let's get to the most exciting part, performance. The NS400 is powered by a 373 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that shares its roots with the KTM 390 series. It produces around 40 PS of power and 35 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch. The throttle response is sharp, acceleration is punchy, and it performs brilliantly in both city traffic and on the highway. The suspension setup includes upside-down forks at the front and a monoshock at the rear, giving the bike a very planted and stable feel. Whether you're leaning into corners or cruising on bad roads, the ride quality remains solid. Braking is handled by disc brakes at both ends, with dual-channel ABS, offering great control and confidence, especially at high speeds. When it comes to features, the NS400 gets a major upgrade. There's a fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, gear position indicator, and even ride modes. Yes, you heard that right. The NS400 comes with 3 ride modes: Urban, Rain, and Sport. These adjust the power delivery and ABS sensitivity based on your riding conditions, something that really sets it apart in this segment. Comfort-wise, the seat cushioning is well done for both rider and pillion. The riding position strikes a good balance, slightly sporty, yet practical for everyday use. Rear set foot pegs and upright handlebars provide good control, without putting too much strain on the rider during longer rides. Talking about mileage, in city conditions, you can expect around 28 to 30 kmpl, while on highways it can go up to 35 kmpl depending on your riding style. Considering the power it packs, this is a decent fuel efficiency figure. And now, the pricing. Bajaj has launched the NS400 at an aggressive price of around 2.15 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. This puts it head-to-head with bikes like the TVS Apache RTR 310, KTM Duke 390, and Triumph Speed 400. But with its performance, features, and that Pulsar DNA, the NS400 has its own unique identity and value for money appeal. So, if you're someone looking for a bike that delivers raw power, modern features, edgy looks, and the trust of an Indian brand, the Bajaj Pulsar NS400 is a strong cont.